Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Nokia X6, staying within 800 words and covering features, exterior, and a conclusion, all in a natural flow, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we talk about everything but iPhones. Today we're diving into a surprising comeback from a brand that most of us thought had disappeared into the tech shadows. Nokia is back, and the 2025 Nokia X6 is proof they're not just showing up, they're showing off. First thing you'll notice is that the Nokia X6 doesn't try to look like every other phone out there. It's got a bold industrial design with that classic Nokia toughness. The edges are slightly rounded, making it comfortable to hold, but there's still that boxy confidence that gives it a unique identity. The build is a mix of recycled aluminum and Gorilla Glass on both sides, which gives it a premium feel without going overboard. The display is a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with almost no bezels and a tiny punch-hole camera right at the top. The screen is bright, vibrant, and super smooth thanks to a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through your socials or watching videos, it's all super fluid. The color accuracy is also spot on, and outdoor visibility is surprisingly solid, even under direct sunlight. On the performance side, Nokia didn't cut corners this time. The X6 is powered by a custom-optimized Snapdragon chipset that balances performance and efficiency perfectly. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just flying through apps, everything feels snappy and responsive. The phone comes in two variants, one with 8 gigs of RAM and another with 12, so you can pick what suits your needs. Battery life is another big win. The X6 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day and more under regular use. And yes, fast charging is here with support for 60-watt wired charging that juices up the phone in just under an hour. Wireless charging is included too, though it's slightly slower. Now let's talk about cameras. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel wide lens that captures incredibly detailed photos. The dynamic range is impressive, even in challenging lighting conditions. There's also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a dedicated macro sensor. Portrait shots look clean with great edge detection, and night mode has been improved massively. On the front, the selfie camera is a 16-megapixel sensor that holds its own, giving you clear selfies with natural skin tones. Audio quality is something Nokia clearly paid attention to. You get stereo speakers with spatial sound support, and they actually sound full and rich. No tinny highs or muddy bass. And yes, headphone jack lovers, Nokia kept it alive. Storage options start at 128 gigs and go up to 512, with support for expandable storage via microSD. That's a nice touch in a world where most brands are forcing cloud storage on us. Now for the software. The X6 runs on a clean version of Android 15 with no bloatware. It's almost stock, with just a few helpful Nokia features like enhanced privacy modes, gesture navigation tweaks, and some cool always-on display customization. Nokia also promises 3 years of major OS updates and 4 years of security patches, which is rare in this price segment. Security is handled by an under-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition. Both are fast and reliable. And for those worried about data privacy, Nokia has kept most of the processing on-device with minimal cloud integration, which is a breath of fresh air. The phone also supports all the latest connectivity options including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and 5G support across all major bands. There's also an IR blaster and even an FM radio, which gives it a bit of an old-school charm. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Nokia X6? Well, it's definitely not trying to be the flashiest phone on the market. It's not chasing clout with gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on being solid, reliable, and thoughtfully designed. From its durable build to its clean software and surprisingly good camera system, this phone is here to remind us that Nokia still knows how to make a great smartphone. If you're tired of the same old devices with minor upgrades and overpriced features, the Nokia X6 might just be the refresh you didn't know you needed. It's practical, powerful, and most of all it's different. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this look at the Nokia X6, don't forget to like, comment what you think about Nokia's comeback, and of course, subscribe for more honest takes on the tech world. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a shorter version or visuals to go with it.